Dear students, about natural language processing, today we are going to discuss about the part of speech toggling. I don't know why the video is not coming, but somehow this video is not coming, even though we are going to have the topics. And now today we are going to discuss about part of speech tagging. Okay, part of speech tagging. So what is meant by part of speech tagging? It is about how the word that sentence that we are going to give, it is going to retrieve the information from the system. Okay, so here it is explaining about areas of artificial intelligence and their interdependencies. See, through natural language processing is working with artificial intelligence and machine learning process, as we know that. So here what happens, the artificial intelligence, how it is going to work through the required the information is when we are trying to search for a particular information, particular content file. So through the search, it is going to natural language processing. Okay, so through natural language processing, and it is through machine learning, and it is going to logic, and it is going to vision, robotics, planning. So all things are working together to retrieve a specific requirement, information, content based according to the end user. Okay, that is. So here we can see the two pictures, that is vision and speech. Okay, so through natural language processing, that vision and what we want to see, what you want to trace out the application with the help of the keyboard or with the help of the voice, is it not? That is with the help of the voice or with the help of the keyboard. That is, so based on that it is going to find out the statistics and probability for that how we are going to trace a content. That is, here we can see the problem with semantics, parsing, and part of speech tagging makes mean, and this is all this about how we are going to trace a content through the server. Okay, so part of speech. Part of speech is tagging is a process that attaches each word in a sentence with a suitable tag from a given set of tags. So the set of tags is called the tag set, and the tag set standard, that is standard tag set, that is pen and tree bank. Okay, pen and tree bank. See, that is when a statement is given for finding the content. So a statement is divided into the words, as we the statement is dividing into phrases, is it not? Verb phrase, phrases, noun phrase, phrases, noun phrase, 1 to 3, like that. So here it is called as a tag set. Tag set. Okay. So tag set, it is called as a word of a statements. Okay. And the definition of part of speech is tagging is the assignment of a single part of speech tag to each word and a punctuation marker in a corpus. So for example, the DT guys, that is definition, and then that this statement is given, how it is the statement is going to give a word. Each word is as a tag. Each word is as a tag. Okay, that is. Okay, so part of speech tag is noun, noun, that for example dog, noun, verb frame, and run virtual machine, that is every word is as a tag form. Okay, these are the example words, that is noun phrase, verb phrase, noun, pronoun, determinant, we studied in the earlier classes. Okay, so part of speech tag ambiguity. Again, what happens here? The tag is maybe the chances of ambiguity. That is, for example, consider in English, I bank on the bank on the river bank. For a bank is called with a similar meaning, is it not? We can, a bank is a bank, or it a river, seashore, or a different words, that is different meaning. Bank is a verb, the other two banks are noun, like that. So if any language it happens, is it not? A word is having a different words based on the situation. Okay, like that. For Hindi, Rama acha gata hai. Here, hai is works, auxiliary verb. That is, Ram sings very well. That is, so like that. The process is list all possible tags for each word in sentence. That choose best suitable tag sequence. That is based on the purpose. The best suitable information can be displayed. That is, here we can see the example. People jump high, or people is about noun or verb, jump is noun or verb, and high is a noun verb adjective. We can start with probabilities. That is, so people jump high. Here you can see people is a noun, jump is a noun, and high is a noun. Noun, verb, verb, verb. Like how the different ways it is going to implement the words of a statement. Importance of point of speech tagging, that is acknowledgement, that is presentation by Clary Garden on point of speech tagging by Neil Take. That is, so what is a part of speech? Part of speech. Words can be divided into classes that behave similarity. So traditionally 8 parts of speech in English: noun, verb, pronoun, preposition, verb, conjunction, adjective and particle. More recently, larger sets have been used, that is pen trademark, that is 45 tags. So same is 350 tags. That is the number of tags that are going to get with a specified word. Okay, so why this part of speech is required? Part of speech is required. It tells us a lot about a word and the word near it. When you give a tracing word, how it is related to, and what is the information related to that. Okay, that is what the point of speech. Okay, so pronunciation depends on part of speech. That, for example, first syllabus noun, second syllabus virtual machine content, like that. First step in many NLP applications. Categories of POS. Okay, what are the categories of POS? Here it is open and closed classes. Closed classes have a fixed membership of words, determinants, pronouns, prepositions. Closed class words are usually function word, frequently occurring, grammatically important, often short or open classes. Nouns, verbs, adjectives or adverbs. Open class is about nouns or verbs. Nouns are proper nouns and Scotland, that is used in Scotland. Common nouns, count nouns and like that. Verbs is about actions and processes, and also auxiliary verbs, that is, are, am, will, and like that. Okay. Open class, second one is adjectives or adverbs. That is, adjectives are properties and qualities. That is, example, age, color, value. Adverbs are about modify verbs or verb phrases or other adverbs. Unfortunately, John walked home extremely slowly yesterday. So these are all the adverbs. Okay. Closed class are prepositions or determinants. Okay, prepositions are on, under, over, to, with, by. Prepositions and determinants the, a, and the, and some. Pronouns she, you, I, who. Conjunctions and but or what are the different words are related to that. Auxiliary verbs can, may, or, like that. Penny target. Penny target is about, that is, code, conjunction, code, cordial number, determiner, extensional there, foreign word, preposition. This is about NN, noun, sing or mass. NNS, noun plural. NNP, proper noun. NNPS, proper noun plural. So predeterminant, possessive. These are the pentangents. Okay, and RP, that is particle, symbol, to, interjection, verb, past tense, that is, okay, pen tag set. Indian language tag set is about the noun. Noun is about subtype and subtype label and annotation convergence like landec, noun, common, proper, like that. So pronoun is about Indian language target. Pronoun is about that personal is short form of PRP, and Yahoo, that is main, Tuma, that is reflexive, relative, reciprocal, wave for indefinite, pre. These are the pronoun related to quantifier. Quantifier is about general, coordinates, and ordinals. Okay. Demonstrative is about it is dictate, relative, word, indefinite. Okay. Verb, adjective, adverb, that is verb, adjective, word, verb is known as the main, auxiliary, and high, girana. These are the related words of verbs. Postposition and conjunction. Conjunction is about it is short form PSP, and postposition is PSP, conjunction is CC. Conjunction is CC. Coordinator, subordinator, CCD, CCS. These are the words are used in the simplification of the tracing of the contents. Okay. Particle. Particle is about RP. RP, that is default, interjection, intensifier, and negation, that is residuals. And big gram assumption. Big gram assumption is best tag sequence. Here we can see that probability of T is argument max, argument P of T by W, or P of T by P of W. Yesterday we have seen with the Bayes theorem. Probability of legitimation. Okay. Lexical probability assumption, that is probability of W by T, word by T is equal to probability of W naught by T naught, T minus T N1, like that. So assumption, a word is determined completely by its tag. This is inspired by speech recognition. Okay, speech recognition. Generative model. Generative model is about lexical probability, people, n, jump, high, that is big gram probabilities. This model is called generative model. Here words are observed from tags as states. This is similar to Heimweg. Big gram probabilities, that is noun, verb, and adjective. The probability of its weight is about 0.2, 0.6, 0.5. The weight, what is the weight? Weight is nothing but it is the approximate value that it is going to display based on the related information. Okay. Lexical probability is noun, verb, adjective is about the people, jump, and height. This is the value of the weightage. Okay. And calculation from actual data corpus is at Ram got many NLP books that he found them all very interesting. Post tagged is noun, verb, adverb, noun. The sentence is divided into noun, verb, noun, like that. Adjective, like. Recording numbers. This is noun, verb. What is the occurrences of chances? What is the weightage of that? Okay. For the words we have taken just now in the last slide. This is the probabilities of the words, that is the weightage of occurrences. Okay, noun, verb, adjective, recalculation. What is the weightage of that is explained here in probabilities. Okay, so to find the probability of T, that is text, is about argument max, that is probability of T into probability of word by T, that is probability of T into probability of word by T is equal to pi P of T I by T of j plus 1 into P of Wi by T1, that is like that, by using bigram probability or lexical probability. Bigram probabilities are, these are the values, weightage of the noun, verb, adverb, and just now we have seen. Okay, lexical probability is about like this of the words. Okay, so this is the part of speech like tagging just now we discussed, and just go through this. If you want to know more about, you can mail me so that we can discuss more. Thank you.